Hi, today we are going to install application control and change control in standalone machine. This is not managed by ePolicy Orchestrator, known as ePO. First, we will download the standalone package from McAfee product download website. Go to McAfee.com, click for Enterprise, click Support, click Product Downloads. Mention the grant number and the email address which is associated with your license and click Submit. Now you can search for application control in the search bar. Click on Application Control 8.3 version. Now click Package on the left pane. Now you can download Solid Core Client for Windows 8.3.2.133. This is the latest version which is launched in the month of October 2020. Once the package is downloaded, you can unzip the package. Now we have 4 different types of setup files. Based on your operating system and bit of the operating system, you can install the required package on your system. Click Next. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Click Next. Mention the username, the organization name, and the license key. It is not needed that you have to add license while installing. You can install the product without the license key as well. It can be added at a later stage after the product is installed. Click Install. It will approximately take 2 to 4 minutes to install the solid core on the system. Once the product is installed successfully, you can click on Finish. You will see an icon on your desktop named as McAfee Solidifier command line. You can open command line and type sadmin version, which displays the version that is installed on your system. As you can see, McAfee's application control is installed successfully on the system, and the version is 8.3.2-133. Thank you for watching.